Once you have your subject in Photoshop, you want to create a layer between your subject and your background. Once you have that done, you want to control and click on the subject to create a quick outline of it. Now with black as the foreground color, you want to Alt backspace to fill the selection with black. As you can see, the selection layer below is filled with black. Now you can analyze the picture and set up the shadow however you want to. Once you do that, you can go to Gaussian blur and add a Gaussian blur of 2 pixels. This softens the edges. The final step is to make the opacity 50%, and that's how you have a quick shadow in Photoshop.